They say that home is where the heart is, but there can come a time when a home stops giving us those butterflies we once had, and we admittedly find ourselves scrolling through Pinterest and Houzz, fantasizing about other homes. So do you work to rekindle the love for your home and remodel it? Or do you just give it the "it's not you, it's me" and list it? Giving your home a second chance at love might seem like the easiest option, mainly because you already live there. However, these surface level changes may not fix the real underlying issues and could leave you feeling like you wasted your best years in a loveless home. Ask yourself these 3 questions, and your answers will guide your heart to either love it or list it. Number 1, do you love where you live? The location of your home can have serious implications on your overall quality of life and happiness. Your location determines your neighborhood, who your neighbors are, the length of your commute to work, and even your kids' school district. Your location can give convenient access to restaurants and shopping, grocery stores, your gym or yoga studio, your kids' school, parks, trails, and keep you connected to family and friends nearby. There is no renovation in the world that can change the location of your home, so if any of these are a pain point for you, the best choice would be to list it. However, if you love where you live and these are the things that are actually keeping you there, then improving your home might make more sense. Number 2, do you have what it takes to renovate? There are an endless number of HGTV shows proving that adding a pop of color to a wall, retiling a bathroom, knocking out a wall, or totally gutting your kitchen can completely transform your home. But before diving into a renovation or remodel, enlist a contractor to walk through the home and your ideas to make sure that they're actually feasible. Your home zoning code, existing wiring and plumbing may limit your options or give you additional costs to consider. Make sure you have a detailed plan and budget to do the full extent of the work. A renovation or a remodel can bring new life to an old home. Just be sure that your home's a good candidate and you've got the budget and mindset to come out on the other side madly in love again. Number 3, have you changed? Even though it may have been love at first sight, the person that you were when you first laid eyes on your home is likely a much different person with different needs than the one you are today. Maybe you were living the single life and now you've settled down with a family, so you need more bedrooms and a yard. Maybe you've been in the same home for decades and you're just itching for a change of scenery and less maintenance. Or maybe at the time you were new to Denver and now you've found your tribe and want to be closer to them. Basically, if you've experienced any major life change like a new baby, marriage, divorce, a new job, retirement, you've definitely changed. Your home is at the center point of everything that you do. If it's not allowing you to live your best life, then it's time to move on and list your home. Thank you for listening. I'm your realtor, Melena Joy. If you've fallen out of love with your home, please give me a call. I know changing where you live can change how you live.